Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Big Biney. Today on this channel I'm going to teach you how to copy or download a thumbnail from any YouTube video or a YouTube link. But before it starts, you only need to have an internet connection on your computer. Just open your browser and type in YouTube. So let's say this is the YouTube video that I'm going to copy the thumbnail. Click on it. Let's pause it. Then you open another tab on the same browser and type in YouTube. YouTube screenshots. This is it. Type in YouTube screenshots. Then press enter. So this is it. Let's go back to our YouTube video. Try open on the next tab. Then copy the link. Paste it here. Then go to show screenshots. Okay, this video doesn't have a screenshot. Let's take another video. Let's take this video. Okay, let's pause it and copy the link. Let's come back and paste it here. Okay, this video has a thumbnail. Just right click it and save it. In most browsers, it will tell you that the video is not secure or the image is not secure. Just ignore it. Right click here and go to keep it. So now I have keep our image. Click here and let's open whether you have the right thumbnail. Yeah, that's it. You have successfully copy or download the thumbnail from this YouTube video link. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button. We have an interesting video coming up this week. Thank you.